It's that time of the year, Mustang Week 2023. Down in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, we have our Q350 EcoBoost. It's looking a little bare because we're going to be getting it ready for autocross. Yes, at Darlington Raceway on Thursday during Mustang Week, you'll be able to ride along in our autocross prepped Q350 EcoBoost Mustang. Don't be fooled, it may be 4 cylinders, but it's a heck of a ride. Be sure to stay tuned because we're going to show you what parts we'll be adding to this to get ready for the event, as well as some awesome decals, and ultimately up to $30,000 of giveaways at Mustang Week. Stay tuned, a lot to share. First things first, to get the Q350 EcoBoost looking the way it should for Mustang Week, we have a set of Winjet LED projector headlights and smoked 2018 style LED taillights. If you're one of those people that are still running the factory 15 to 17 headlights in your car, you're looking for a new look and more light output, this is the way to go. You have 3 individual projectors in each particular headlight housing, as well as a daytime running light that doubles as a turn signal switchback. Between the black housing and the 3 individual LED projectors in each headlight, you have some of that 2024 styling that we all know and love. In addition, you also have DOT and SAE compliance, so you know that they will be road legal to run, as well as an easy plug-and-play installation with taps included to tap into the turn signal, so you get that DRL switchback that I was talking about earlier. And in terms of the taillights, you have that beautiful 2018 plus styling, which obviously you can run from your 15 all the way to 2023 Mustang. Just like the headlights, the taillights are super easy to install, plug and play, and they even include the plastic trim piece that a lot of the other taillights on the market need to transfer over from the factory taillight. But both the headlights and the taillights here and everything from Winjet includes a year manufacturer warranty, so if you have any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to us or Winjet directly. We'll be happy to take care of you. But without further ado, let's get this install rolling. All right, we're back in the shop. We got the Q350 on the lift. Let's start up with the headlights. Just got these Winjet LED projector headlights installed. We're gonna flip the car around and install some taillights. Just finished the taillights, they look absolutely awesome. I don't know about you though, this Q350 does not scream Steeda enough to me. So we're gonna get our graphics package installed and take it from there. All right, so you saw the Q350 EcoBoost. It is ready to roll for autocross. Let's talk a little bit more about what to expect at Mustang Week. There are plenty of after-hour meets throughout the entire week, but what we're most excited for in terms of after-hours events would be Retro Meet, and that is Wednesday night down at Merle's Inlet at Suck Bang Blow. It is a blast of an event with burnouts, drifting, and more. You're definitely gonna wanna make sure you're there. And then Thursday, that is Motorsports Day at Darlington Dragway. Both autocross fun runs and drag racing happening at Darlington Dragway. It's gonna be a really fun day. Whether you wanna ride along with us in our Q350 EcoBoost around the autocross track, run your own car through the autocross, or participate and watch some drag racing. It is a fun-packed day if you're into motorsports like we are. It may be a 2-hour trip from Myrtle Beach, but it's definitely worth it. Kicking it off on Friday with the car show. It's the highlight of the week, the biggest event of the week, and frankly, on the East Coast and perhaps even the nation when it comes to Mustang events. Mustang Week Car Show, we're really excited for it this year as there are upwards of 700 to 1,000 cars registered to be there. And as you've seen before from our aerial shots last year, the entire lot of Myrtle Beach Mall and more filled with Mustangs. If you didn't get a chance to grab some raffle tickets from us at the Motorsports Day on Thursday, you'll have all day on Friday at the car show and part of the day on Saturday at the cruise-in to get yourself some raffle tickets to win up to $30,000 in giveaways as a thank you for being our customer. These giveaways include parts from vendors like Anchor Room, Alpha Rex, Apex Wheels, Bear Brakes, Bilstein, Cervini's, Circle D, Classic Design Concepts, Comp Cams, Diodynamics, Form Lighting, Hawk Performance, McLeod, Mishimoto, Morimoto, RTR, SCT Performance, Turn 14, Winjet, Belgian Wheels, and of course, Steeda Autosports. We're really excited for Mustang Week and you should be too. There's plenty of opportunities to come hang out with us, whether it's at the autocross and drag strip on Motorsports Day, the car show all day on Friday, or the cruise-in on Saturday. Be sure to come out, say hi, chat with us. We love to talk Mustangs and Fords. Be sure to comment below and let us know what you're most excited about when it comes to Mustang Week. And if you plan on coming this year, and if not next year, hit that like, subscribe, the notification bell, and don't forget the most important thing, speed matters.